It's becoming more and more common to see sound practitioners that are possessing or that are looking after very expensive sound therapy tools or instruments. I have here a leftover of what once was a Swarovski crystal singing bowl, in other words, a glass bowl. I'm showing this to basically present that everything will eventually crack, break, or be stolen or lost. Hence, if we really want to empower society through sound or via sound, which is definitely one of my goals, I think that we should stop seeing sound therapy instruments as objects of desire. Hence, instead of looking about these magic properties or divinity that is allegedly done by gemstone infusion, by infusion of silver, or by creation when there is full moon, we rather focus on our intention to helping others via sound.